Meaning of decisiveness.
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 Decisiveness. Decisiveness refers to the ability to make quick and firm decisions with confidence and courage. It is about taking action and making choices without hesitating or second-guessing oneself, even in the face of uncertainty or ambiguity. A decisive person is able to assess situations, weigh options, and act decisively with a sense of purpose. This quality is highly valued in leadership roles, where the ability to make timely and effective decisions can have a significant impact on the success of an organization or team. Overall, decisiveness helps individuals to achieve their goals and navigate complex situations with greater ease and clarity.